in terms of your perspective, let's talk about what you think are the key challenges facing higher education institutions on the continent, and what the opportunities are specifically for our context in light of this being the theme of this year's Africa Day.
There are numerous challenges. Some of those challenges are the long-standing challenges, really. And there are still issues relating to the access to higher education. That is one of the pressing challenges, and that is very, very frustrating, because on one hand, we are talking about education being very, very important, and institution of higher learning as constituting sites of knowledge and occupying a very, very important and powerful position in society. And we are encouraging, people to get educated, but there is this particular problem, lack of resources. And the second issue is one that I have touched on, that what we see is that in spite of confident pronouncements from time to time about universities repositioning themselves within the African continent, we still find that most institutions, in terms of the curriculum and the graduates that they produce, the curriculum remain out of step with the pressing demands confronting the continent itself. So what that means is that there is a need to continue pressing on to reposition our curriculum so that it responds somewhat directly to the problems. But related to that issue is the issue of language, issues of communication, and we have chapters that tackle that particular issue. We are looking at those challenges as also opportunities, for example, to prioritize the indigenous knowledge systems that I have mentioned, to prioritize our languages. Education, especially at higher institution, is the driving force. It is the defining factor of how the continent, will proceed to tackle its myriad of problems. Re kopa lo nne le letsatsi le le monate la Africa Day, letsatsi la Africa, lo letsetsia re celebrate Africa go tswa kwa isimologileng teng, because Africa Day inile gone e le go celebrate formation or go nna gone ga mokgatlho wa Africa or yone African Union. Ke letsatsi le le botlhokwa thata le nne le letsatsi le le monate la Africa Day. Ke a leboga. Thank you, Sisanda.
Siyabulela Professor ngexesha lakho, siyabulela kakhulu.